This lentil and vegetable lasagne, layered with a creamy spinach bechamel, is bursting with flavor and destined to be your new favorite vegetarian dish. Begin by adding the Napolina olive oil to a pan and create a soffritto by adding onion, garlic, grated carrot, celery and red pepper and cook down gently to soften. Next, add the Napolina Polpa Tomatoes and Napolina Tomato Puree. Then pour in the Napolina lentils, smoked paprika, oregano and season with salt and pepper to taste. Then mix together well over a simmering heat to let the flavors sing. To make the spinach bechamel, add butter and flour to a pan and mix into a roux. Then whisk in the milk until it starts to thicken. Then add in the Parmigiano Reggiano, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste and spinach, and mix together until it has wilted into the sauce. In a baking dish, add a layer of the lentil ragu, then top with Napolina Lasagne Sheets followed by a layer of the spinach bechamel. Then repeat the process until you have 2 delicious layers. Then top with Parmigiano Reggiano, then bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. Leave to rest for 15 minutes, then slice up and serve. Have you ever seen a veggie lasagna look this good? Best served with a simple side salad. Buonissimo!